Welcome to Sweet Hacks for Office 365, a video series featuring quick tips to help you boost productivity in the Cloud Suite. Today, we're going to talk about where Microsoft falls short when it comes to avoiding SaaS data loss, and what you can do to keep your critical data secure. Microsoft's SLA states that they are not liable for data loss associated with app outages, ransomware, or deprovisioned users. Even though they claim to offer native recovery features, they can be cumbersome to use, and the last thing you want to do is end up on the phone with support. So how does Microsoft recommend businesses avoid data loss? By regularly backing up data with a third-party application. Businesses fall victim to data loss and corruption every day. Want to know the #1 cause of data loss? Human error. If you have humans working at your company, then yes, you're at risk to lose data. Whether it be human error or your data simply gets deleted by Microsoft when the retention period is up, a third-party application that takes daily automated backups will keep your SaaS data accessible and recoverable no matter what.